Hey everyone! So today I am going to be doing my updated brow routine for you guys. And so I'm just going to show you how I do my brows and how I fill them in and, clean them up and everything like that. So if you're interested in how I do my eyebrows, then please continue watching this video and make sure to subscribe so you know when I post. I'm posting new videos every Sunday. And make sure to comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. And let's just get started. Whenever I do my eyebrows, I always use the Rimmel London pencil in the color dark brown. And I always use this little spoolie brush from Morphe to brush them out before and after, And then I use my Tarte Shape Tape to clean them up, and that's about it. So I already plucked them and got them, groomed up because they needed it bad. So now we can get started. So I just take the pencil and I usually start on the bottom. So I just take the pencil and I just outline the whole bottom. Then I do the top, outline the top. And then I just go through and fill it in. I do it lightly in the front and then, regular back here, darken. And then before I clean them up, I do the other side, and then I clean them both up at the same time. So now onto the other side, and I'm going to start with the bottom again. Top. I like to go in with my little spoolie brush and just brush through them and make them, you know, look more natural. So I start with the front and I just brush through them and brush up and then go through the rest. I feel like when I'm getting ready, my eyebrows is what takes me the longest, because then for some reason after that, then it's just like everything else is just so quick. Especially if I'm not wearing eyeshadow, then it's a wrap. After I do my eyebrows, then it's just like prime my face, put the foundation on, highlight, powder, contour, and then, you know, more powder, and then, you know, do your little cheek highlight, nose highlight, and mascara, set your face, and you're done. But eyebrows is what takes the most time because you got to be precise and And in the front, I make sure to brush them like good and make sure there's no like harsh lines, because it makes it look more natural and like, you know, not so, I don't know, fake, I guess. Okay, then now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I just take a little bit of it, open it up, and put some on my hand. And then I take this, it's empty as you can see, but I use the brush on it to clean up my eyebrows. So I'll just open it and take this and dip it in this, both sides, and then like, you know, get the excess off. And then just, I start with the bottom, and when I do these, I do the bottom and then I'll do the top and then move to the other side and then I'll blend it out. So I'm going to start with the bottom on this side. Okay, now I go to the top. Just like that. And now the other side. Get some more product on my brush. And I try to line it up to make sure that they're even. top. Okay, and then when I blend it out, I take this little brush from Smashbox and I just use this to blend it out. And I usually start with the bottom and then go to the top. And this concealer, it dries really quickly, so maybe I need to start like focusing on one eye, then go into the other, because the top is like more dry for some reason. anything, then that's what you would do now. But for the most part, I think I did a pretty okay job. I don't really feel like there's any touch-ups that need to be done right now. So that's a plus, because usually there definitely is, but they look pretty good. So I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, so this is the end result of how I do my eyebrows, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I'm about to do the rest of my face, but I just want you to know I don't leave it like this with the concealer looking crazy. Once I do the rest of my face, you can't even tell that I had concealer, on the top and the bottom like this. But yeah, this is just an eyebrow tutorial, so that's that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and comment down below. Let me know what else you guys want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.